Okay, for dividing integers, if they are the same, then you're going to have a positive answer, and if they're different, you're going to have negative. Now, don't be confused when you see a division sign that looks like this. Fractions are division. So fractions are division, and our directions tell us we're going to be dividing the whole time, so that is a good hint. Alrighty, let's go ahead and try this out. So negative 28 divided by negative 7. So this is the same sign, so you're going to have a positive answer. And 28 divided by 7 is 4. Next we have a tricky one, 120 divided by 8. So I'm actually going to make my little long division. I'm going to put my 120 in the house and my 8 outside the house. 8 goes into 12 one time. I'm going to subtract that out. Bring down my 0, and then I know 8 goes into 45 times, so my answer is going to be 15. I'm going to go back and check my sign. This is a positive and a negative, so they're different, so it's going to be negative. Next one is 72 divided by 12, so the answer for this one is going to be 7, I believe. Oh, no, it's not going to be 7, it's going to be 6. All right, let me check that since I had a second thought. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry the 1, so we get 72. I'm glad I checked myself. Those are both positive, so your answer is going to be positive. Our next number, we have a negative divided by a positive. Those are different signs, so it's going to be negative. And then it'll be 11. This guy up here, I'm going to do my, what's called the standard algorithm. Do it in some space up here. Sometimes it's hard because there's no space. All right, 14 goes into 18 one time. You subtract that out, bring down your 2. Oh my goodness. Well, I know 14 plus 14 is 28. And 28 plus 28, let's see if that'll give me 42. No, it doesn't. It gives me 56. Okay, let me try 28 plus 14. Oh, there's my 42. All right, so that was 1, 2, 3 14s. So my answer is 13 there, and it was a positive and a positive, so I get a positive answer. All right, our next friend here is negative 45 divided by 5. It'll give us a negative because those are different signs. And 45 divided by 5 is 9. Our next guy is negative 108 divided by 9. Ooh, we got a tricky one here. I'm going to draw my little picture. 9 goes into 10 one time. Subtract that out. Bring down my 8. 9 goes into 18 twice. So our answer is 12. And it's going to be positive because a negative and a negative is a positive. Same sign positive, different sign negative. Our last guy here is 55 divided by negative 11, so I'm going to have a negative 5. Okie dokie, neighboronies, go ahead and take your little quiz on the back.